What is up, everybody? Thomas Miata here, and we are at Driftweek 5 at Englishtown Raceway, stop 1. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give Lone Star Drift a follow, and I'll see you guys out there. First casualty is a fuel pump wiring issue. All right, tell us what you got.
So we had the wires, the old connection was getting really hot, so we butt spliced these together. It doesn't seem to be getting hot, and the fuel pressure still stays over 60. So I feel like we're good there, but the car likes to throw in some O2 sensor low. So we got to figure out what's going on there.
OEFI, and we're gonna make an Instagram post real quick to ask for some help, see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Okay, I'm ready. Someone do a countdown.
1, 2, 3, go!
Fuck! Ow! My bad.
1, 2, 3. I mean, that was dead on, bro.
Yeah, you can't get any better than that.
Alright.
Fail. Turbo upgrades. Driftweek. Let's go. Oh man. I bust out the big guns. I don't have time to sit around and watch all this. I gotta do some editing. This is Driftweek. Stuff happens. People are here. We're hanging out.